The college here is going through a huge transformation. The facilities are getting a massive revamp, and it's already just full of just stuff I wouldn't have never imagined would be in a college. Heard the horror stories of other colleges where the lectures you're just a number to them. They don't know you from a randomer walking down the road. And whereas here, all my lecturers know me by name, I know them by name, and I can stop in the hallway and have a chat with them at any point during the day. The lecturers will advise you what to do, and if you get stuck, they'll show you what to do, but it's up to you how you kind of move forward with your project, with your assignments, and kind of just everything else is you can ask your lecturers for help, but it's in the long run, it is up to you what happens.